The Supreme Court gave its verdict on a review petition filed by Zakia Jafri, the widow of Ehsan Jafri, who was murdered in the Gujarat riots, against a clean chit given by a special investigation team to then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi. The Supreme Court had tough words, saying that this was just to keep the pot boiling and the petition was filed with ulterior motives. The BJP has welcomed this verdict while the opposition is silent so far.
An attempt to keep the pot boiling. That is what the Supreme Court said today, giving Prime Minister Narendra Modi a clean chit in a case alleging a larger conspiracy in the 2002 Gujarat riots. The plea was filed by Zakia Jafri in 2018. She is the 84-year-old widow of Congress MP Ehsan Jafri, who was among the 68 people killed at Gulbarg Society in Ahmedabad a day after a coach of the Sabarmati Express was burnt in Godhra, killing 59 people returning from Ayodhya and triggering riots in Gujarat. A three-judge bench of the Supreme Court today in its verdict said that the plea is filed to keep the pot boiling, obviously for ulterior design. It said those involved in such abuse of process need to be in the dock and the appeal is filed under dictation of someone. The Supreme Court said the plea questioned the wisdom of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court approved Gujarat government's handling of the riots. It said timely and corrective measures were taken by the state government. The army was called in and a curfew was imposed. Then Chief Minister Narendra Modi gave repeated public assurances that the guilty will be punished. And mere failure or inaction of a section of state administration is no basis to infer conspiracy. The Supreme Court said there's no fault in the SIT's approach.
The Supreme Court also said that claims of witnesses such as police officials Sanjeev Bhatt and R.B. Srikumar as well as then Gujarat Minister Haren Pandya about statements made by then Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi at a meeting during the riots are unsubstantiated. They had alleged that Narendra Modi had said, "Let Hindus vent their anger against Muslims." The Supreme Court said that the allegations were made only to sensationalize and politicize the issue.
The BJP is now citing the verdict to target the opposition.
उस समय गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को 9 घंटे इंटरोगेट किया, 9 घंटे समन के बाद, और एक भी भाजपा के कार्यकर्ताओं ने विरोध नहीं किया। आज एक कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता राहुल गांधी का हो रहा है भ्रष्टाचार के मामले में नेशनल हेराल्ड में, तो देश के सारे मुख्यमंत्री जो उनके 1-2 बच्चे हैं वो काम धाम करके दिल्ली में धरना दे रहे हैं।
It was in 2017 that the Gujarat High Court dismissed Zakia Jafri's plea against the SIT's closure report. A year later, she moved the Supreme Court. However, the hearings took place only in December 2021. And after this long legal battle, the top court too has dismissed her plea. In New Delhi with camera person Sudesh Kumar Ram, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.